Welcome guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. This is my first adventure since the year started and I was craving some crayfish for about 3 months now since Hurricane Melissa has passed. I haven't been in any form of water at all and I was like, I need to get some water in me, I need to get some crayfish. So I'm here at my favorite spot. I really wasn't sure about how, it affected, like Hurricane Melissa affected the place, so I was really nervous, but we're here. I'm excited. I want to catch some crayfish. I want to eat. We're going to catch them, carry them home, cook them up. So stay tuned, guys. You go first.
Why you want me to go first?
You go first. I don't feel like you see. No, that's not fair because you tall. Okay, I made it. Oh, what?
Oh, that's a bush up, man.
Yeah. The goal is to catch a lot of crayfish. Hopefully we catch a lot. As the hurricane washed down everything. So hopefully we catch a good amount. I don't know. Raj Kumar there, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna go find them for me.
I'm gonna make sure Tiffany get her crayfish today, guys.
Yeah man, we need to catch some because I'm feeling for some nice, like a nice meal today. The best thing we ever buy now.
What?
Last year I get this? The mask.
I don't remember it.
Oh,
I think it's over a year now since you have it.
Yeah, actually. Best thing I ever buy because I couldn't see nothing before. Woo.
That one, man, the cold one.
I come. Woo. The current is so strong this time though.
What's the boy?
Wow. Wow. Never expect that at all.
Yeah.
I cloud him.
A pinch himself.
Alright, so that's what I get eat. Cool. Alright you guys, so we're at saying see a couple of them, so I'm gone for the flashlight because we can't make them they get away. Cannot. Bye guys.
I'm going in. What that? Open them up, poke it wide. Number one. Whew. I made it. I make it. Wait, what? Track out someone. Hello. Hello. You still right on. Look, you guys in the water though. Yeah, that's it. What the fuck? How is this one? The water is deceiving me. Alright. See the water crystal clear, Satif? Yeah. Alright, you guys. This is what we caught. This is what we caught. I did catch quite a few a couple days ago when I went camping with Raj. So I'm gonna use this plus that to cook some. That's some lovely one. We're gonna cook some lunch. What are you gonna cook? I have no idea. When I get back to the house, I will let you guys know. But this is what we have so far. Yeah, man, it's been a pretty good quick stop at the Crayfish spot. Yeah, got grocery store. Yeah, it did change up quite a bit, I must say, because it was hectic to come around this side. Yeah, over there is a bit different. Yeah, but I like it though. I like how it's flat. Yeah, look how that rock wasn't there now. Oh yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, it was covered with bush just like that, and then it just clear. Well, you things change. Yeah. But like I said, we're gonna head back home, and we're gonna catch you guys in the kitchen. All right? What? Ooh, we're gonna come out. Like how this change, where we're gonna come? Well, we're gonna try to climb up on the bank and come back out. Ooh. Oh, this looks nice. Wow. Yeah. Oh, hey.
Watch your face on this. Watch your face on the stick.
We made it. See you guys home.
All right, you guys, we are back in the kitchen. Whole lot of crayfish. We're gonna be doing some crayfish quinoa stir fry. That sounds a little different, but we're gonna make it work. Let me just get some seasoning. Let me grab some things. We got pineapple, of course. Got my seasonings here. Oh, I forgot to take out the mixed veg. Yeah. Oh. All right, I have all of these. All right, guys, so the power has been out since this morning. I have my power station that I have been using to power the fridge here. This is the Elite 400 that I got from Bluetti. Look at this power station. Just look at it. Ah! Wow. I'm going to be discussing that a little bit later, but for right now, we're going to be cooking up a feast. I'm excited. Let's go. Tender soon ready now. Crayfish in my belly now. I know say by the time we take off all of them here, nothing, I just lickle something. Bare lickle something. This is not even a lot, but I just for me and Rod, so it should be good. I got some good sizes. Ooh. Look at that. It's a good size. Just know that when the head come off, it's gonna be a little pie. Alright guys, so we're just gonna remove the head and I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the poop vein, as Raj calls it.
The doodle,
Ooh! Oh, I did that bad. Alright. So you see all of these, what do you call these? Tails? What is it? Wings? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one in the middle is what we're focusing on. So we twist it like this, like that. Nothing came. Oh yeah, it came out. There it is. That's the doodle vein. That's why it don't taste good when you guys buy it on the road. My advice: don't buy it on the road.
Cook it with the head and everything.
Everything. And that's how it's supposed to be. Perfect. See that?
Now when I mash up.
Are you mash it up?
Are you shut it?
Me. Probably did.
Pull it from the top.
Why you don't pull it from the top? Oh yeah, I got it out. Okay, there we go. There we go. After this, the crayfish tastes so good, I'm telling you. Guys, look at that.
That is all the crayfish.
This is just for Raj. Luckily we have more though. Because this can't feed me and you. Eh? Remember we always compete with food, you know. So use this. So glad we did catch more. That can't do for me at all.
On the freezer.
Just know this is going nice. No man, this mash up, Raj. Why you do it so?
I do it so.
I'll stop make excuse, yeah. So we have all our seasonings here, some onion, scallion, sweet pepper, thyme. Oh, I forgot the pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper. So the pepper is big? How much it is?
$100.
No sir, pepper expensive. With some garlic. You smell that?
Hot.
Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna take out the crayfish out the shell now. Perfect.
Some good old
Coconut oil. Smell good.
Good chef.
Come by. You see that? Smell good. Now we're gonna add in the crayfish, pre-cooked. Oh, does it smell good? I'm gonna add the eggs to it. Oop.
I need to try that. Try the egg.
The egg?
Yep.
It's like like a stir fry instead of fried rice.
Looking nice.
I'm gonna add in a couple mixed veg. So we eat healthy. And guys, I already have the quinoa here. I did it the night before. I'm gonna use that soon. All right, we have the quinoa. All right, you guys, so I have some pineapple, orange, a little bit of ginger here, and I'm gonna be making some pineapple juice. I'm gonna be using my blender, my trusty blender. Introducing the Bluetti Elite 400, a massive power station that's ready whenever you need it. With a high capacity of 3,840 watt hours and a 2,600 watt output, it can power essential devices for hours, even days at a time. Weighing 85 pounds, it's designed with gliding wheels, a telescopic handle, and sturdy side grips, making it surprisingly easy to move around. So whether you're rolling it across the room or loading it into your car, the portability is effortless. The Elite 400 features 4 AC outlets, 2 USB Type-A and USB Type-C, an AC charging port that brings you to a full charge in 2.5 hours, a cigarette lighter port, and a solar recharging port of 2,800 watts, bringing you back to full power fast. And everything can be easily monitored and customized through the Bluetti Smart app. What I love the most about it is it delivers reliable power for everyday life. It's perfect for home backup use. It can run your fridge, fan, laptop, camera equipments, TV, blender, even your air fryer. It simultaneously charges multiple devices. You'll stay comfortable and connected during any outage or even save some of your electricity. This is easily my new favorite power station, and it's safe to say I'm fully prepared for any power outage emergency and off-road adventures. All right.
Smell the ginger.
Make our juice. Have some chia seed here. Raj don't want any. He's boring. Some ice. We have the juice. There we go.
looks more like it.
Everybody feel equal. We're rebellious, you know. Perfect. All right. I'm on charge. I'm gonna get that one Chinese just fine.
Look like fried rice.
So I call it stir fry.
Finally. Whew. Alright guys, finally getting some food. We're already almost done. Tastes really good. Simple and nice. Guys, you should definitely try this. It is the crayfish quinoa stir fry. I really love it. Let me know if you guys try it. Please let me know because this is delicious. But that wraps up things for today. I'm gonna finish eating this, watch some TV, chill for the rest of the day. And also, if you're interested in purchasing one of the power stations that I have, the Elite 400, the link will be in my description. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.